Hello friends, welcome once again to Neco online math class. In this video, I'm going to provide a solution to some Neco past questions. If this is your first time of viewing, kindly consider subscribing to my channel so that you'll be notified anytime a new video is uploaded. So we are asked to convert this binary number into base 10. This is a decimal. Decimals are base 2 decimals. So to do that, you have 101.011 base 2. Normally, after the point, these are the whole numbers and these are the decimals. So here is 0, here is 1, here is 2. After 0, you have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. So now, the first digit here is 1 multiplying base 2 to the power of 2, plus the next digit is 0 multiplying base 2 to the power of 1, plus the next digit is 1 multiplying base 2 to the power of 0, plus the next digit is 0 multiplying base 2 to the power of minus 1, plus the next digit is 1 multiplying base 2 to the power of minus 2, then plus 1 multiplying base 2 to the power of minus 3. So this will now be 1 times 2 to the power of 2 is 4, plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2, plus 1 times any number power of 0 will give us 1 here, plus 0 times this is 2 power of minus 1. From the laws of indices, it will give you 1 over 2, plus coming here you have 1 times 2 to the power of minus 2 means 1 over 2 to the power of 2 from the laws of indices, plus 1 times 2 to the power of minus 3 means 1 over 2 to the power of 3. So this will give us 1 times 4 is 4, plus 0 times 2 is 0, plus 1 times 1 is 1, plus anything times 0 is 0. So 0 times half is 0, plus this will give us 1 over 4 because 2 power 2 is 1 over 4. This will give us 1 over 8 because 2 to the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. When you add 4 and 1, that will be 5. So you have 5 whole number plus the LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. 4 divided 8 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 8 divided 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this will give us 5 whole number. 2 plus 1 is 3 all over 8 base 10. You can put it in base 10. You can even change this 3 over 8 to a decimal and call it 5 point whatever you are getting in base 10. You can as well change to improper fraction by calling it 8 times 5 is 40. 40 plus 3 is 43 all over 8 base 10. And if you like, divide 43 by 8. 43 divided by 8, that will give us 5.375. 5.375 base 10. So you can keep it in any of these forms because all of them are equivalent. Let us take another question. Okay, in the second question, we are asked to evaluate this, and this is just coming from indices. Okay, so here, all you need to do, find a base that you're going to raise this number so that the power will be 3. For instance, now, you know that this can be seen as 1 over 7 to the power of 3 because 7 times 7 times 7 into 3 times will give us 343. Then you have 1 over 3 here, plus 64 can be seen as 4 to the power of 3 because 4 times 4 times 4 will give you 64. Then you have minus 1 over 3 minus whenever the power is negative here and this is a fraction, it is always easier and the better to reverse the fraction inside and remove the negative sign of the power. Okay, so to me it is always better to reverse the terms in the bracket when the power is negative so that you do away with the negative power, that is taking the reciprocal. So this will be the same thing as 9 over 4 to the power of half. So what I've just done now is that I change 4 over 9 to 9 over 4, then change the sign from negative to positive. So that this can be seen as 7 to the power of minus 3 from the laws of indices. 1 over any number means that number to a negative power. Then bracket 1 over 3 here, plus from here this 3 we cancel 3. We are having 4 to the power of minus 1 left, minus any number power of half means square root of that number. So the square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 4 is 2. That is how to do it when the power is half. So this 3 will cancel this 3, will have minus 1 also. So this is 7 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of minus 1, then minus 3 over 2. This is the same thing as 1 over 7 plus 1 over 4, then minus 3 all over 2. From the laws of indices, negative power means fraction. So the LCM of 7, 4, 2 should be 28, yes. So you draw a line and write 28. 28 divided by 7 will give us 4. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 28 divided by 4 is 7. And 7 times 1 is 7 minus 28 divided by 2 is 14. And 14 times 3 is 42. So we shall have 4 plus 7 is 11 minus 42 all over 28. And that will give us 11 minus 42 is minus 31 all over 28. And that is the answer as an improper fraction. We can still reduce to a mixed fraction. Kindly share this video, subscribe to my channel if you've enjoyed what you've watched so that you get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much and may God bless you for viewing.